Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is list of different types of bats. Broadly speaking, there are just two types of bats, megabats and microbats. However, between them they account for more than 1240 extant species of these flying mammals. In this article, we talk a general overview of the different types of bats. The only mammal that can fly. Unlike flying squirrels and flying snakes, which despite their name actually glide from one tree to another birds, are actually capable of powered flight. That bats account for 20% of the world's mammals population should not really come as a surprise considering that there are 1240 odd species of bats in the world. Neither should the fact that bats are found all over the world except for the colder regions of the Arctic and Antarctic. Different types of bats. Basically, the 1240 extant species of bats are categorized into two groups: Megachoroid suborder and Microchoropator suborder. Simply put, there are two types of bats, megabats and microbats. Despite their name, megabats are unnecessarily larger as a rule of thumb. Similarly, microbats are not always small. In essence of names are not determined by their size. Megabats. Megabats are bats belonging to the Megachoropetra suborder of the order Chorotephra. They are also known as fruit bats, as their diet primarily consists of fruits. The fruit-dominant diet is helpful as these bats cannot resort the echolation and thus find it difficult to track insects. The lack of ability to use echolation translates into smaller ears and the absence of tracheas. The cartilaginous structure and helps in collection and collecting sound waves. Microbats. Microbats are species belong to the Microchoropator suborder of bats. Of the 18 extant females of bats, 17 belongs to this type. These species are characterized by their ability to the echolation, mostly to see in the dark while moving around or hunting, and at times to communicate with each other. Thus, they are also known as echolocating bats. They generate sound waves using their larynx and emit the through their nose or mouth. While the Egyptian fruit bat is the lone exception to this, it's worth nothing that is using high-pitched tongue clicks to proud sound waves instead of resorting to its larynx. Megabats. Black flying fox, Lily flying fox, large flying fox, Indian flying fox, Gambian epauleted fruit bat, dwarf elfulate fruit bat, Egyptian fruit bat, Jamaican fruit bat, gray-headed flying fox. Fruit bats. As far as megabats are concerned, there is only one family to consider: the Tetrapodiid family with 186 species spread across 44 genera. These bats are usually known as fruit bats or old world fruit bats. Additionally, some species of fruit bats are also called flying foxes. Species belonging to genus Petropods in particular. This family of bats has some of the most popular species to its credit, including the Jamaican fruit bat. Microbats: brown long-eared bat, Dewbinton's bat, laser hornsea bat, greater horsey bat, northern bat, tree-colored bat, Bechstein bat, common noculate, Brazilian free-tailed bat, common pipistrelle bat, little brown bat, eastern red bat, greater mouse-eared bat, Mediterranean horseshoe bat. Bulldog bats. Bulldog bats are one of two species belonging to the genus Noctilia of the Noctilidae family of microbats, namely the greater bulldog bat and the lesser bulldog bat. These bats derive their name from their bulldog-like appearances, which can be attributed to the cheek pouches which were store their food. Diswinged bats. The Thypothriidae family of bats, commonly known as diswinged bats, comprises 5 species belonging to the genus Thyropoda. If bulldog bats derive their name from their cheek pouches, diswinged bat derive theirs from the suction cups on their thumbs and ankles, which help them to clinch the smooth surface such as banana leaves. False vampire bats. The Megadetermatid family of bats has 5 species belonging to 4 different genera, namely the Cardioderma, Levia, Macroderma, and Megaderma. To its credit, the ghost bat, endemic to Australia, is perhaps the most popular member of his family. A threatened species is derived its name from its rich pale grey ghost-like appearances. Other well-known species include the greater female vampire bat, lesser female false vampire bat, and the hard-nosed bat. Free-tailed bats. One of the largest family of bats, the Molosida family, compares over 100 species spread over 18 genera. These bats earn their name from their relatively long tail. The family has some of the fastest flying bats to its credit, such as Mexican free-tailed bat, which is known to clock speeds of 40 mph. Funnel-eared bat. Funnel-eared bats are the 11th species of the Nataliidae family. Spread crosses 3 genera: genus Chilotelus, Nautilus, and Niciltelus. True to their name, these bats have topical funnel-shaped ears. Popular species include the cub-ban funnel-eared bat. Horseshoe bats. Horseshoe bats are the 85 species belonging to the Rhinophodia family of bats, which are clubbed into the long genus Rhinopholis. They are named Horseshoe bats because of the horseshoe-shaped leaf-nosed bats. Leaf-nosed bats are new or leaf-nosed bats to be praised are member of the Psilocystemiid family, a highly deserved family of bats. It has 92 means 192 species spread across 56 genera to its credit. Mouse-tailed bats. Mouse-tailed bats are the 6 species of the insectivorous bat, which together from the Rhinopomatidae family. Their species are clubbed together into the Rhinophoma genus. As their name suggested, they have a long tail, which unlike that of other tail species is not connected to their wing membranes. Muskratched bats, also known as ghost-faced bats or neck-backed bats. Muskratched bats are the 13 species which together from the Myrmophodia family. These 13 species are classified into 2 genera. New Zealand short-tailed bats, a unique family of bats. The Mystancilia family compares 2 species: the critically endangered New Zealand greater short-tailed bat and the New Zealand larger short-tailed bat. Sea wings bat, the emboliard family of bats, commonly known as the snake-winged bat, has to its credit 51 species.